Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to break down the steps to writing a proposal that stands out and gets you hired. So, in this video, first of all, I will show you a trick to write a proposal using AI. Then I will give you some helpful points that you can use to write an attractive proposal. So what you can do is navigate to ChatGPT, go to the message ChatGPT section and type in write a proposal for applying to this job post. Now navigate back to Upwork, search for the job post that you want to apply for, click on it and copy the headline for that job post. Now navigate to ChatGPT and paste the title of the job post here. Now click on the send button. After that, ChatGPT will generate an attractive proposal for your job application. Now what you can do is wait for the proposal to get completed. Now copy this job proposal, navigate to submit a proposal page and add your proposal in the cover letter section. Now what you'll have to do is simply edit this proposal. So in order to edit this proposal and make it attractive, I will give you some points that you'll need to remember and customize your proposal accordingly. Now, you can customize your proposal using these helpful points. Make sure to take a note and customize your proposal accordingly. So the first thing that you need to note down is take the time to research the client and thoroughly read the job post. Look for specific details like the client's industry, specific project requirements, and any particular challenges they mention. Understanding the client's need is crucial because your proposal should be tailored to address those needs directly. The more specific you can be in your proposal, the better. The first few lines of your proposal are the most important. You need to grab the client's attention right away. Start with a personalized greeting and mention something specific about their project. Avoid generic openings like "Dear Sir, Madam" or "I'm interested in your project." Instead, say something like, "Hi, I noticed you need help with a specific task and I have the right experience to make your project a success." This shows the client that you have read their job posts carefully and are genuinely interested. Next, you want to highlight your relevant experience and skills, then mention similar projects you have worked on and how you successfully completed them. If possible, provide links to your portfolio or past work that aligns with the job requirements. This is your chance to demonstrate that you are not just capable, but you're also the best person for the job. So, click on the Apply Now button, scroll down on the Submit a Proposal page, and write a cover letter and make sure you add an Upwork job by clicking on this button. Clients often post jobs on Upwork because they have specific pain points or challenges they need to overcome. In your proposal, identify these pain points and explain how you can solve them. For example, if the client is worried about meeting a tight deadline, reassure them by outlining your efficient workflow and past experiences with similar time-sensitive projects. Always end your proposal with a strong call to action. Encourage the client to take the next step, whether it's scheduling an interview, asking for more details, or discussing the project further. A simple but effective closing could be, "I'd love to discuss how can I help you achieve your goals." This invites the client to continue the conversation and shows that you are eager to move forward. While it's important to be thorough, you don't want to overwhelm the client with too much information. Keep your proposal concise, focused, and professional. Stick to the key points: who you are, why you are the best fit, and how you can solve their problem. Clients appreciate clarity and directness, so make every word count. And there you have it, tips on how to write the best proposal on Upwork. Remember, the key is to be specific, show your value, and make it easy for the client to see why you are the right choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification so you never miss out new content. Thanks for watching and good luck landing your next gig.